Hello. My Dodge Durango had creaking, popping door hinges, which I think are pretty common. And it is the bottom hinge. I just finished replacing them. Sorry I didn't video it while I was doing it because I wasn't sure if it was going to work and how to do it. But this is the lower one. The top one doesn't have any mechanism in it. The lower one has this, I think, spring-loaded mechanism that causes the creaking and the popping. And I was able to change this one. This is the back right or passenger back door, and this one's really easy to change because you can change it with the door closed, and you just have 13mm nut and a 13mm bolt that go into the car. This is on a post, so you basically just loosen these up, take this off, pull it straight off, put the other one on. But it's a good idea. Somebody suggested marking the outline of where the hinge goes. You can see I got the white there. So so you get it lined up so that you don't have to worry too much about getting the door adjusted. I also did the driver's door, front left, and this was trickier because I could not, because of the posts, you cannot get this hinge out while it's still in, the upper hinge is still in place. So I propped up the door. I don't have it here, but I propped up the outside of the door with a hydraulic jack just so that the door wouldn't get torqued when I took off the hinge. And but to get this hinge out, first of all, I used this 13mm wrench that has the ratchet built into it, which was really convenient because it's hard to get to this screw, or this bolt in the back. It's hard to even get your fingers on there to get it started, but I was able to do that. But to get this out, I had to actually loosen the top hinge, and basically I didn't take it off, but I loosened the nuts so that they were all the way out on this post, so that then, I wonder if this is why Dodge built it this way, you can then kind of pull the door back a little bit. It would be good to have somebody to help you. I did it by myself, and just basically had to pull the door back while you took this hinge off of those posts that are in the door. Then you put the new one in, and it's a piece of cake after that, as long as you have one of these to get in there to that hard to reach bolt. But again, all the hinges I marked so that I could put the new hinges back in the same location, and the door shuts nice. These are the boxes that the hinges came in. I'll try to hold it still so you can get the numbers. I'll probably also type the numbers into the description. Note that the left side ends in a 5, and the right side hinges end in a 4. The hinges, when they come, so I bought those on Amazon from the Mopar store, so they look like they're genuine Mopar parts, so that was really nice, worked slick. And then when they come, they are actually silver. So these are the old ones that I took off, but basically I hung them on little coat hangers and I spray painted them with, and that's Walter in the background, and Lucky chilling over there. So there's the hinges. Like I said, I hung them on a hanger while I spray painted them body color so that they wouldn't be silver and stand out. And here is the paint that I bought, also off of Amazon. It was kind of expensive, 19 bucks for this little 8-ounce can, but it is pretty much an exact match. And I think granite crystal is pretty popular color for Dodge, so hopefully you have something nice and not one of those primer gray ones, not that I have an opinion. And there is the Durango 2014 Citadel with 115,000 miles. Been a great car. We're really happy with it. That's why I keep doing the work on it. Great car.